Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. What is the primary purpose of the write-ahead logging (WAL) mechanism in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A. To ensure data integrity by logging changes before they are written to the data files. When using the JSONB data type, how does PostgreSQL store the data compared to the standard JSON type? The correct answer is option B. It stores it in a decomposed binary format which supports indexing. In a window function, what is the difference between rank and dense_rank? The correct answer is option A. Rank skips the next ranking value after a tie, while dense_rank does not. Which index type is best suited for indexing composite types or arrays where you need to search for contained elements? The correct answer is option D, JSONB. The lateral keyword in a subquery join allows the subquery to The correct answer is option A, reference columns provided by preceding from items. What does the vacuum freeze command do in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. It aggressively reclaims space and marks tuples as frozen to prevent transaction ID wraparound. Which transaction isolation level prevents phantom reads in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, serializable. What is the result of using explain analyze compared to just explain? The correct answer is option D. Explain analyze actually executes the query and shows real timing and row counts. Which clause is used in PostgreSQL to implement upsert logic? The correct answer is option A, on conflict. What is the primary advantage of a BRIN, block range index, over a B-tree index? The correct answer is option B. It is significantly smaller in size for very large, naturally ordered tables. How does logical replication differ from physical, streaming, replication in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C. Logical replication allows for replicating data between different major versions of PostgreSQL. In PSQL, what is the difference between the \copy command and the SQL copy command? The correct answer is option D. \copy runs on the client side and can access local files, while copy runs on the server. What is required to make a common table expression, CTE, refer to its own output in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A, the recursive keyword. In the context of PostGIS, what is the main difference between geometry and geography types? The correct answer is option B. Geography accounts for the Earth's curvature, spheroidal, while geometry uses a flat Cartesian plane. What is the purpose of a foreign data wrapper, FW, in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C. To access and query data stored in external databases or files as if they were local tables. What does TOAST stand for in PostgreSQL internals? The correct answer is option D, the oversized attribute storage technique. Which utility would you use to back up all databases in a PostgreSQL cluster, including global objects like roles? The correct answer is option A, PG_dump_all. What is an exclude constraint used for in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. To ensure that if any two rows are compared on specified columns using specified operators, not all comparisons return true. In PostgreSQL declarative partitioning, which of the following is not a supported partitioning method? The correct answer is option C, random. Which command is used to install a prepackaged module like pg_trgm into a specific database? The correct answer is option D, create extension pg_trgm. When defining a trigger, what is the effect of the before timing option? The correct answer is option A. The trigger function executes before the triggering event, insert/update/delete, occurs. How do you select the third element from a PostgreSQL array column named tags? The correct answer is option B, select tags 3 from table. In full-text search, what is the role of the vector data type? The correct answer is option C. It represents a document in a form optimized for searching, sorted list of lexemes. Which of the following is a popular external connection pooler often used with PostgreSQL to manage many client connections? The correct answer is option D, pgbouncer. Which configuration parameter determines the amount of memory used by the database server for caching data blocks? The correct answer is option A, shared_buffers. What is the purpose of the int4 range data type in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. To represent a range of integer values, including start and end points. Which command is used to enable row-level security, RLS, on a table? The correct answer is option C, alter table_name enable row-level security. What is a PostgreSQL table space used for? The correct answer is option D. To define locations on the file system where the data files representing database objects can be stored. What is an advisory lock in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A. A lock with application-defined meaning that is not automatically enforced by the database. In PostgreSQL, what does the term hot heap only tuple update refer to? The correct answer is option B. An optimization that avoids updating indexes when the indexed columns haven't changed. Thank you for watching.